All right, check this out. I got a brush for my swimming pool, and this is not just any similar brush. This actually has side brushes. All right, now you are going to need to screw them in. They do give us a little tiny Phillips in here. We're going to set it up. All you got to do is connect it here, and you have to actually set it up through in here. If you guys can see, the Phillip right there goes in there, right? So the screw goes in there. So we're going to set these up right now and see how they look. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I finally finished it. I set up the screw in here. Now, my only recommendation is don't leave this out all year round in the sun. These things come off, all right? Now, this is my second one I purchased. The first one I made a mistake by leaving it out. Dry it up only and then put it away, because sun will deteriorate this, and then it leaves all these little plastics in your pool. You don't want them there. So I'm going to set this up. We're going to use it today. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, the good thing about the brush is that you can brush sideways the corners, especially if you have a above ground pool like I do. It goes all the way up. You guys can see that. I like the brush. So I have a long stick for it, and it's perfect. I'm able to brush corners that I was able to brush before. That's why I buy all these brushes all the time like this. Very simple to use. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.